Look, horned melons from the Kalahari. They'll soon be ripe. They will. All climbing up through the trees. That's a junior one. Still got time to swell before winter. The vines climb up through the jasmine. There's the melon vine there. There's our African horned melons climbing up high in the apple tree. Up high. Getting all fat and juicy. They are. They'll be nice with ice cream, won't they? They've been fattening up after the rain. How to get them down? Well, you knock them down with a stick. You just knock them down with a stick and try to avoid getting hit on the head, of course, because they're covered in spines, vicious little spikes. You wait for them to turn orange. Look how fat and juicy that one is. So big and fat. That's more than enough for one person. 2 people could have that on ice cream. There's a big fat juicy one on the ground. Where is it? Oh, there it is. It's a big fat juicy one. A glorified gherkin, I suppose you could call it, couldn't you? They are related to cucumbers. There are lots and lots of them by the ground. Look in there. So many. Just waiting for them to ripen. Can we see them? Covered in thorns. All under this trellis. Oh, very big. You can see how big some of the biggest ones are. They're very big. That's a big one. How big is that? Can you see how big it is? That's my finger. Quite big. Very large. Kalahari horned melons growing high up into the carob tree, finding their way up high into the carob tree. So you've got to grow some Kalahari horned melons because they're so delicious with plain vanilla ice cream. That's the best way to enjoy them. Lots of people eat Kalahari horned melons on YouTube and pull faces because they've never tried them with vanilla ice cream. They haven't. Here we have the melons in flower and climbing amongst the jasmine. See? They grow well together. Look at those ones in there. I don't think we're going to go hungry. I don't think we're going to be hungry. Nature provides, doesn't it? There's a horned melon growing there. And right beside it we have wild nightshade berries, bush tucker nightshade berries. There's some. Nature provides. Bush tucker. So there you have horned melon blossoms and bush tucker berries. Here's a whole little cage of horned melons, and above them, through them, are growing all those bush tucker berries. Bush tucker berries eaten by our indigenous people. Let's have a look. And there they are. That's them. Lots of them growing through the horned melons. So many of them intertwined with horned melons. Can we see you? Let's focus. Come on, focus. Ripe berries.